Refcom module for mobile user. Welcome to this short guide on the Refcom module for mobile users. Using the Refcom module will allow you to make additions, removals and adjustments, as well as ensuring the correct gases and weights are used. The module also allows for cylinder tracking, movement and returns. On opening up your mobile app, the cylinder module will show as indicated here. On selecting the module, you will be presented with 4 options. From here you will be able to add a cylinder, look at cylinders held by your company, view the cylinders under your control and search for any transfer notes. To add a cylinder, select the option and complete the necessary information as required. The storeroom option will show any cylinders that are held by your company's storeroom. From here, you have the option to collect a cylinder. Within the My Cylinders option, you can view details of the cylinders under your control. You now have the option to return a cylinder to either the storeroom, another engineer or the supplier. Note, if you return to the supplier you will need to obtain signatures as shown here. The Transfer Notes option allows you to search for previous transfers on assets as shown here. We will now select the Visits tab and open a visit to show how the Refcom module interacts whilst on site. From here we will find the asset to be worked on. Once in the asset, scroll down to the Refcom option and open as shown here. We can now open the logbook and carry out the following actions: an addition, correction, removal and a leak check. The functionality of the options is standard across each one, and is Refcom compliant. Let's carry out a leak check. The logbook will show information on any previous actions carried out on that asset, and will automatically add any actions carried out by you. Thank you for watching this video guide on the Refcom module for the mobile app.